Every family has that one holiday where somehow everything goes right. No delays, no arguments, no random surprises. The food is good, the weather behaves, the kids are happy, and the whole trip feels super smooth. People think trips like that are rare. They are not. They just happen in the right countries. Places where the systems run so smoothly, your family starts thinking you planned every detail in advance. So here are 5 international trips that make you look like a travel genius in front of your family without doing much. Number 1, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is one of the easiest family trips you can take. The smartest thing for you to do is to hire a car with a driver for the full trip. It's not expensive, and it saves you from having to deal with directions, parking, and random road guesses. Your driver also becomes a local expert in food stops, clean bathrooms, and shortcuts, which is exactly what you need for a family trip. Gale Fort is ideal for an evening stroll. You can walk around comfortably, stop for photos, and enjoy the sea breeze. Kids can run around safely, elders do not have to climb anything steep, and there are plenty of cafes everywhere so you can sit down whenever someone's energy drops. If you want the classic Sri Lankan experience, stop at the turtle hatcheries near Bentota or visit Pinawala to watch elephants bathing in the river. These are quick, easy activities that work for all ages. For greenery and cooler weather, take the Kandy to Ella train. If you can, book the Ella Odyssey. It has reserved seats and scenic photo stops, which remove the usual chaos from the regular train. This country naturally creates a relaxed holiday, and you'll get the credit for planning it. Number 2, Hong Kong. Hong Kong looks intense from the outside, but it's one of the smoothest urban trips you can take. The MTR connects everything. Trains come fast, stations are clean, and most of the attractions sit within a short ride of each other. When you land, pick up a tourist octopus card at the airport. It makes getting around simple, and you can use it at convenience stores too. Disneyland is great for a family day out. Less walking, simpler layouts, shorter distances between rides. And the Frozen Zone is always a huge hit with the kids. Take the Peak Tram at least once. It's an easy ride, and the views make the whole trip feel worth it. And if you want a small break from all the crowds, hop on the Star Ferry. Areas like Sim Sha Sui and Wan Chai have plenty of Indian restaurants if someone in the family wants familiar food. And since every mall has clean washrooms and AC, you can always step in when the humidity gets annoying. The only thing to sort before anything else is the pre-arrival registration. It takes a minute, and without it, you cannot enter. Once that is done, Hong Kong becomes an easy city to handle. Everything is close, everything is efficient, and your family feels like you've planned a perfectly balanced trip. If your family wants snow, but you don't want Schengen stress, Almaty is your answer. It gives you the full winter vibe at the fraction of a cost. And Indians get visa-free entry for 14 days, which instantly removes one big headache. The big highlight here is Shambula. Getting there is simple. Take a taxi to Medu and then get onto the gondola. It is an ideal first snow experience. No extreme temperatures, no heavy gear, no complicated planning. At the top, there's a tubing park where kids can slide for hours. There are warm cafes for adults. And if you want to try skiing, you can book a beginner lesson without committing for the whole day. When you are back in the city, head to Kok Tobe. The cable car ride is fun, and there is a small amusement area at the top along with a great sunset view. Panfilo Park is wide and open, and Zenkov Cathedral looks like something from out of a storybook. For transport, use Yandex Go. If you are traveling with a toddler, choose the kids option, and the car will come with a child seat installed. What makes Almaty great is how little effort it needs. You get proper winter vibes, simple logistics, and a trip that feels sorted from day one. Number 4, Dubai. Dubai is one of the destinations where you can rarely go wrong, especially in winter. The weather is perfect between November and March, and the whole city is structured to make travel stress-free. Global Village is a great family outing. It has food, rides, performances, shopping, and enough variety to keep everyone in the family entertained. But go on a weekday. Weekends can feel like the entire city showed up at once. For local transport, taxis are the easiest option. But if you plan to take your child around, book Careem Kids. So the car comes with a child seat. Dubai is built for families. Indian food is everywhere. Streets and malls are stroller friendly. And safety is extremely high. Everything stays open late. Number 5, Japan. Japan is where you go when you want your family to think you planned something extraordinary. In reality, Japan plans it for you. The transport system is world class. Trains arrive exactly on time. Street signs are very helpful. Stations are clean. Even on the busiest days, everything feels polite and orderly. In Tokyo, Team Lab Planets is a must visit. It is one of those places that look interesting on video but feel completely different in person. You walk through water, lights, mirrors, and digital art rooms, and kids lose their minds. Adults do too, but they pretend otherwise. In Osaka, Universal Studios Japan is a crowd favorite. Super Nintendo World works on all ages, and the whole park runs with the efficiency Japan is known for. If you want a quieter day, take a short trip to Nara. Kids can feed deer in huge lawns, and the whole place feels peaceful. Japan also makes daily life easy. Convenience stores become your go-to for quick meals, snacks, and drinks. Luggage forwarding lets you travel between cities without dragging suitcases. Public toilets are everywhere, and many are cleaner than hotels. You do need to follow a few small rules, like carrying your trash until you reach a bin, or letting your taxi doors automatically open. But these things are tiny in comparison to the comfort you get in return. Japan is smooth and incredibly family-friendly. It is the perfect destination to end with because it leaves you thinking that every country should be like this. So these were 5 international trips that are easy to plan, easy to navigate, and makes you look like you knew exactly what you were doing. Tell me in the comments which country you are taking your family for vacation. And subscribe to Atlas Explorer, India's #1 travel channel.